How to upload full-size picture on Instagram without cropping. So go open your Instagram and let's try to upload a picture. As you can see here, I can't upload the picture fully. It's either the top or the bottom will be cropped. So in order to avoid this, we need to install Snapseed. So go to the App Store, type in Snapseed, and after installing, open your photo here. Click on Open from Device. Now if we check on the crop and click on Square, this is what will happen if we post this on Instagram. So go back to the tools, click on Expand, and now if you drag this to the left, the background, as you can see, is expanding out. So by just using the software, you can expand your photo, making it perfect for Instagram. Once you're done expanding, click on Check and then proceed to export. Once you try this again on Instagram, as you can see, you can upload the photo without being cropped now. So that is how to upload full-size picture on Instagram without cropping. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.